Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to return an audiobook after you've purchased it on their platform. And basically what I should say is if you think that you can just purchase many books, listen to them and then return them straight away and you're essentially listening to audiobooks for free, if you do it far too many times, Audible is going to flag this and then they're basically going to stop you from returning books, or maybe even just ban your account in general and you don't have access to Audible. However, if you're genuine and you've purchased an audiobook by credits or by actually paying for it, and then you realize, oh, I've purchased the wrong book, then what you can do is come up here to your account section, go down to account details, open that, and then go down to purchase history. And this will show you all of the different titles that you have on your account. And you can see all of your orders placed in the last 365 days. My account goes back to 2016. And from there, what you can do is press return this title. And then once you confirm, you will get 1 credit back into your account. However, if you abuse this and basically just return many books, Audible will notice and they will stop you from returning books in the future, or maybe even just ban your account in general. So guys, I wanted to show you now how to do this on mobile as well. And actually from within the mobile app for iPhone, I've not been able to actually find how to return books. So what you need to do is go to an internet browser on your mobile device. I'm going to do this through Safari, log into Audible, and then I'll show you the steps from there. So we're on my Audible account on Safari and go up to the 3 horizontal lines button on the top left. And where it says Good Morning Andrew, click that button. It'll probably say Good Morning Your First Name. And then scroll down to purchase history. And now we can see all the different titles that we have purchased in the past. I'm going to select the first one, Unruly by David Mitchell. And basically it says Unruly by David Mitchell, purchased on the 16th of this month. And then right down below the credit, it says return this title. So if you press that, it's going to launch this page. And then once you press the orange confirm button, you will add 1 credit back into your account. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.